Ghost here, and today I'll be doing Angry Birds Epic.
His first series. And I told him about Mobison, which he said he was going to delete tonight.
But I'm not going to. So it needs to download. So I'll... Oh, damn bit. Close it. So me and Matt will talk to you about some stuff.
About the game.
Yeah, basically you got a fight, you get a meet someone and you fight over
You'll see
Angry
when we get on the
Birds.
game. You know, with Angry Birds, you fight the pigs. I don't think an Angry Bird would fight another Angry Bird.
Yeah, well, if you fight the pigs, at least they fight.
Everything. If you move that Mobison thing, they can see it. Just don't move it to the middle because there's an X.
Where?
And eat it. And that, and you'll have.
Fight.
It's the first time.
Boring, boring.
Still more loading.
I'm going home soon anyway, so I know. Night. What's that? Eggs. Give me some eggs.
How long are you doing it? Are you doing like
2 minutes.